Good morning, everyone. TGIF. Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101. And this morning, we'll be talking about Vera Therapeutics. I would think after going over some of their data and their financials, I believe that the analysts are right on Vera Therapeutics. I think that it will reach up to about $24 to $25 here in the next 6 months. This is a stock you have to watch because it could essentially boom. It can essentially increase and rocket over the next 3 to 6 months. So this is the type of stock that you get in and you get out. So over the past one day, it's been up 21%, but over the past year, it's been up almost 71% the past 3 months, 30% the past month, around 14% the past week, almost 32%. So this is one of those stocks that you absolutely have to get in and you have to get out. Now, if you're not familiar with Vera Therapeutics, it is a clinical stage biotechnical company that engages in the development and commercialization of transformative treatments for immunological diseases. Its primary product is a fusion protein self-administered as subcutaneous injection that blocks both the B lymphatic simulator and some other words I simply can't pronounce. Just saying, a lot of medical knowledge here. Now, this company was founded back in 2016 in San Francisco, and that's pretty much all the information that they give here on Robinhood. But nonetheless, the question is this a good investment? Again, I want to tell you that this is a good investment for the what? For the short term, 3 to 6 months. Usually I tell you guys a year plus, but for this particular stock, I am definitely telling you 3 to 6 months. Now, let's go over to Market Watch and see what these analysts are saying about this particular stock. Because again, these are one of those stocks that are under $20 that I know you guys absolutely love. Right now, the current stock price is at $19.49. So that's within your budget, okay? Now, the past month, we're looking at around 14%. We're rounding up. We're over here to the far right. The past 3 months, 31%. Year to date is 1,547%, almost 548%. So this is very important that we look at the analytics and the year-to-date ratios of this particular stock. Now, with that being said, there is no other information like EPS or PE ratio or even dividends that I can give you to help you make a better will decision in order for you to invest. Now, usually therapeutic companies, they're not going to give you dividends unless they're large, like a Pfizer, Moderna, like some very large pharmaceutical stocks, biotechnical stocks, something like that. And I don't even know if they give out dividends. I could be wrong, but don't look for therapeutics, biomedical, pharmaceutical stocks to give out dividends. Some of them may, but there's not a lot of them because they fluctuate so much and they're very, very volatile. It's kind of like if someone made a new version of an aspirin, right? And they released it and you guys took it, and a lot of consumers, a lot of customers who bought this aspirin had side effects, had major side effects. That would reflect in their stock price. That stock price will essentially decrease automatically until they rectify the formula of that new aspirin and get FDA approved. Those things mean so much to pharmaceutical, biomedical, and all of the sorts that's in the medical field. So that's very important for you to look at, okay? Now, moving right along, as we're looking at Vera Therapeutics, we see here that over the past time, they've been up pretty much good. Again, they've been up 1,000. They've been up 1,500%, to say the least. So they're doing very, very well. Now here in the performance outlook of Yahoo, it says short term to midterm, we're looking at 2 weeks to 9 months. So that's why I'm telling you guys right now, look for 3 to 6 months of making a profit on this particular stock. Let's look at some other analytics here. Let's see if they have, here we go. So right now for July and August, I know we're early September here. They haven't got that information out, but they're saying buy and strong buy. And again, this is one of those stocks that's under 20 bucks that I know you guys absolutely love, but it's volatile. Okay. This is a therapeutic stock. And again, when we look at the information that's stated, this deals with some sort of biology. It has something to do with pharmaceuticals. So don't let the name fool you when we're talking about the stock itself. Now, Yahoo is basically saying over the last 2 months that this stock has been a buy and strong buy, okay? A buy and strong buy with no indication of sale, with no indication of underperforming. All right, to get a analysis of where you should or where you think you may want to buy, the upside of this is a medium target of around 24 bucks and a high estimate around $27. And here on Tip Ranks, they have a buy, okay? A buy rating of 3, no hold, no sell, okay? And then if we go over to Zacks, this is also saying hold. Now, they have some bad style scores for Vera Therapeutics. They have D value, C growth, F momentum, and a total VGM of F. And again, I think a lot of this has to stem from this being a pharmaceutical stock. That's what I believe that this is. A lot of this has to stem from this being a pharmaceutical stock. So my opinion in this particular stock is that if you're going to buy the stock, with caution, don't forget, anytime you guys invest, there's no guarantees, okay? Whether you lose or gain money. But if you take the analysis, the data, information, and news that you receive, more times than not, you'll make more than you lose more. So with this particular stock, I'm telling you, if you're going to purchase this stock, if you buy a large sum of stocks, I don't know, hold this stock for at least, I'll say watch it for 3 to 6 months and watch how it may, gain an increase. And of course, buy low, sell high. And right now, according to the analytics, it's at a very low rate. Okay. So before I leave here today, I want to buy me an option. Okay. I want to buy me an option. So let me go over here. I want to buy me an option trade. So if you're looking at my buying power, I have exactly $1,000. And so I've been really trying to find out, should I buy a plug option or NEO option? Because these are the two stocks in my portfolio that has really turned profit for me, especially NEO. Now, right now, I'm currently up 7%, 7.5% on Plug Power. I'm currently up 7.2% on NEO. And what I'm trying to do is look at the future projection of these particular stocks. Okay, so let me go back. Let me look at these stocks a little more in detail. So right now I see NEO. They're currently trading at $40 a share. I have roughly 69 shares. It's almost 10% of my portfolio. Now, my total return is pennies ever since I sold NEO and rebought it. So I'm not doing well there. Okay. And then if I look at Plug Power, let me look at Plug Power here. They are trading at $27 a share. This is around 13% of my portfolio. And I've only made $261. So I did a quick Google search. And I was just trying to define, they have a high estimate right here of $78 with a median estimate of $40. And I'm really trying to define right now when it comes to Plug Power, they're at $27, and I believe they're going to reach $40 per share. Okay, I believe they're going to reach $40 per share. So what I want to do now is I want to look up NEO very quickly. Okay, and I'm just getting some quick analytics. Now, either one, in my opinion, would be a good option buy, but it will have to be a long-term option. So right now, NEO is around $40, and they are expecting NEO to go up to $61 for the median price. That's a $20 difference. So I have a lot of room for growth. You see, I like to play the numbers when it comes to this. Now, I'm only going off of one. I'm going to have to do a little more research, but I'm leaning towards NEO. I'm leaning towards NEO to buy a long call option because right now, NEO is stating that the median target price is $61, which is a 51% raise from the current price at $40 per share. And plug power is $27, and they're talking about a median price of $40, which is only like a $13 increase essentially. So I think if I were to go off that basic information, like I said, I'm gonna buy either one. I think I'm gonna go with NEO. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with NEO. So let me go back here, and it has to be a long call option. Okay, I don't want to play the puts right now. I don't want to play the puts right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to trade options, and right now NEO is trading. So let me first and foremost go down to where NEO is currently at. They're around, see, $40.50. Okay. And I do not want a option that expires today. That's the dumbest option you can ever buy. I want to go out to, let's see here. What about September? How does September of next year, 1 year out, gives me a lot of time to make some money? Let's see if I have enough money in here. Let me go back up to $40.50. So they got $40. Continue. That's going to be $975. The question is it worth it? Am I going to buy an option, long-term option for a year at $975? Yes, I am. They're making me sign in. And done. The money's gone, folks. I have $25 left. I'm going to put that, I think, in my triple Q stock. I'm going to want to keep raising that. Let me look at some other shares I have here that are not doing so well. Let's see here. 5 shares. Let's see. Hood. We're doing pretty good over here with Clear Secure. I think I'm going to go ahead and throw that $25 in here and get my shares out. Let me go ahead and invest the rest of my $25 in here. All right. And buy. All right. You guys have a great and wonderful day, TGIF. I'll see you guys this evening. And I'm very curious. A lot of you guys have not been taking the giveaway. No one has emailed me about the free giveaway of $500 so I can pay for one of your certifications. Hey, I'm going to put that out this evening. I'll be going live Central Standard Time at 8 p.m. I'll see you guys then. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. Have a great one, guys. I'm out.